Understanding foot pedal, an essential English phrase for everyday use. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and we'll explore the meaning and use of the phrase, foot pedal. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a driver, or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. So, let's pedal our way into the learning zone. The phrase, foot pedal, is made up of two words, foot, referring to the part of the body at the end of the leg, and pedal, which is a lever pushed by the foot to operate or control a machine or mechanism. Put together, a foot pedal is any kind of pedal that is operated with the foot. It's a common term in various contexts. In music, a foot pedal might refer to the pedals on a piano or a drum kit. In vehicles, the gas pedal or brake pedal are types of foot pedals. In sewing, a sewing machine typically uses a foot pedal to control speed. Foot pedals are essential for multitasking. They allow individuals to use their hands for other tasks while controlling a device or machinery with their feet. For example, a pianist uses foot pedals to change the sound of the piano while their hands are busy playing keys. A driver uses foot pedals to accelerate or brake while steering the car with their hands. Understanding how to use foot pedals effectively can be crucial for safety and efficiency in these activities. Now, let's put foot pedal into action. Here are some examples of how to use this phrase in sentences. Be sure to gently press the foot pedal when you want to start the machine. The instructor showed me how to use the piano's foot pedals to sustain the notes. By practicing with these sentences, you'll become more comfortable with the phrase and how it's used in everyday language. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, foot pedal. We hope you now have a solid understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Keep practicing, and soon it'll be as easy as pressing a pedal. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips. Happy learning!